I found an updated method to fix your strip lashes. Like, this method does not require so much work. Let's get into it. All you need is your bond. This one in particular, take note of this one. Don't go and get this. This is what you're going to see in the market, right? Don't go and get this, avoid it. So this is what you're going to get. You're going to need your needle, and then you're going to need this, and of course your strip lashes. This is my own lashes. This is my strip lashes. Let me show you the packet. Right, so this is what you call strip lashes. There's something like this. Sometimes you have it in single pack. I have used these lashes 2 times now. This is going to be the third time. I don't want to bring out another one because of this video, so I'm going to use it like this. So you guys, this is what you're going to get: your bond, this particular one, and then your needle. I'm going to take one lash from here now. So I'm going to quickly take that and put it in your hands. You can put it on a surface where you know that it's not going to fall off from. This is the reason why you need your scissors. Are you seeing this excess thread? This excess thread at the end of it? That is what you're using your scissors to chop off. So I'm just going to chop this off like so, and then I'm going to do it here too, and that's all. You do the same thing for the second lash that you are going to be using. This hair is up here, we don't want it. So you're going to do the same thing here and here too. So before you even start putting your lash glue, you need to check your lashes. Sometimes they have lashes that one side is longer than the other. So if it's this outer side that is longer, you know that you are going to put it here so that the longer side stays outside, right? If it is this side that is longer, you're going to be putting it here so that the longer side stays outside. Basically, that kind of lashes gives you these catty eyes, right? So I don't think this one is equal. These two sides are the same, so can work for any of the eyes, but always make sure to check so that you don't wear the longer side on the inner corner. It is going to disturb you. So the next thing now is to apply your lash glue. You can take it and apply it directly if you want, if you can work with that, or you can just put it on a surface here and then use something, needle, whatever you have close to you, to apply it to the lashes. I'm simply going to take the bond from here like this, and I'm going to apply it. See where I'm putting it, so don't put it on the hair, just this band that is here that is holding it. That's where you should be putting the lash glue. Yeah, so when you are done, you're just going to keep it and let it dry up, right? Not dry up per se, just a little bit soggy, enough like it is going to be gummy. Now let's get into it. You're going to take this, right? You're going to take this and you're going to apply a little to the back of your hands. And then you're going to take like this, and then you're going to apply this one that you have taken in your needle, right? You're going to apply it to your lash line. So let's do that. Of course, you know when you're wearing your lashes, you do not take it inside, right? You have to leave a little space, like your finger, this size of space. So from here is where you're going to apply it so that it doesn't disturb you and it allows room for your eye to breathe, right? So we're going to leave that space in front. I'm going to stop with this, right? And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the second eye. you guys see? Yeah. Now we're going to just allow this to dry up for like 5 minutes. It has to get soggy, so you're going to give it time to dry up. We're going to start waiting. Let's wait for 5 minutes and I'll be back. So you're just going to take your lashes, right, and just apply it to drop it on the bond like this. It's so easy, like so easy like this. You're just going to drop it. Easy peasy, like easy. Now we're going to do the second one, right? Again, like this. Did you see that? Then you're going to leave it like 1 more minute so that it sits on your face, and then you will use a wet hand to press it in. I'll be back for that demonstration. So my hand is a little bit wet. I'm just going to go ahead and press this in so that it sits properly on your face, right? And we're going to do the same thing here, right? We're going to do the same thing here. Easy peasy. Will you be trying this? And like, share to your family and friends that will need this video, and of course subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. To this.